Namo Namaha. Welcome to the Sanskrit Learner channel. In today's lesson, we are going to learn pronouns in Sanskrit. And specifically, we are going to learn pronouns related to third person masculine gender. Pronouns in Sanskrit are called Sarvanama Padani. And we're going to learn pronouns related to Pumlinga Shabdaha. Pullinga Shabdaha means masculine words. All right, let us move into the lesson now. All right, as you can see here, I have categorized the pronouns into two here, right? The first set of pronouns are used to refer to things that are very close to you, and the second set of pronouns are used to refer to things that are a little bit away from you. All right, it could be person or people, right? Person or people, nearby, far away, or near, far, things, objects, or people. Right. Let us look into the set of pronouns we use to refer to people or things that are close by or closer to us. So we use three set of pronouns here, right? To refer to this, any masculine related words that are singular, we use two pronouns. We can use I am, or we can say Eshaha, right? And the plural forms of these are imau, etau, and then ime and ete. Now, please note that in the Sanskrit language, there are two types of plurals. Okay, we have the dual set of plural. That means if there are two things or two people, to refer to them, we use one form of plural word or pronoun, and to refer to more than two objects or people, we use another set of pronouns. So it is one of the special features of the Sanskrit language. Uh, if there are, if there is one, of course, a singular pronoun. But if there are two, another set of um, pronouns, and if there are more than two, we use another set of pronouns. Okay, so I am, when something is closer by a singular thing. Plural of I am is imau, and then that is the dual when there are two things close to you. And then we use ime to refer to more than two objects or people. So eshaha, one, something closer by, etau, two, and ete, more than two. Those are close by. And the equivalent far away, or things that are away from you, we use these set of pronouns. So if you use I am or eshaha, we can use saha to refer to um, um, any pronoun that are masculine, a little bit away from you. And then imau, etau, dual uh, pronouns, we use tau, and then ime or ete, we use te. All right. So these are the set of pronouns we are going to learn today. All right. Let us now look into some examples. All right. Look at these two pictures. Okay. Now this boy is close to me, nearby. So I can say I am balakaha, or I can say eshaha balakaha. Okay, the same. Okay, this tree is a little bit away from me, it's a little bit far from me, so I can say saha vrikshaha, saha vrikshaha. And one more thing you should notice here is that now balakaha is masculine, of course, male gender, but vrikshaha, what about vrikshaha? Right. So the thing that I need to point out here is that in the Sanskrit language, the actual gender doesn't count. It doesn't matter what is the actual gender of the particular thing or the person. It is actually the noun form that matters. Now, as per it, uh, vrikshaha is considered to be male gender word in a male gender noun in Sanskrit. So that's why it's saha vrikshaha. So I am balakaha, eshaha balakaha, and saha vrikshaha. Okay, right, right. So let us look into the dual pronoun. So we can say imau balakau, imau balakau, or etau balakau, etau balakau, to refer to these are two boys. Okay, so these are boys, right? Far away, a little bit away from you, you can say tau vrikshakau, tau vrikshakau. Those are two trees. The plural, more than two plural forms, we use these forms. You can say ime balakaha, ime balakaha, and ete balakaha, ete balakaha. These are boys. Okay. Mm. And then more than two uh, far away, away things, we use te vrikshaha, te vrikshaha. Okay. One more thing I want to point out to you is that now you see, along with the pronoun, the noun form also changes. Okay. The noun form also changes. Look at this. Here, singular. So I am balakaha, esha balakaha, kaha, and saha vrikshaha. Okay. Shaha. And it becomes with the pronoun forms imau or etau, it becomes balakau, right? The noun also change form here. Tau vrikshau, au au. Okay, tau vrikshau. And here ime balakaha and ete balakaha te vrikshaha. So so along with the pronoun forms, the noun form also changes, right? And the gender, the real gender, doesn't count in Sanskrit when referring to the number. All right. Okay. Let us move into the other example. Okay. Yeah. Let us look into some more examples. Um, Look at this. Okay. There's an elephant here. Okay. Closer by. So I am Gajaha. I am Gajaha. Oh, Eshaha Gajaha. Eshaha Gajaha. This is an elephant. Okay. So a little bit away from me, I see a monkey. So I can say Saha Vanaraha. Saha Vanaraha. All right. So this is a masculine elephant and masculine monkey. Okay, we have feminine forms as well that we will look in the other lesson. Okay, right. The dual form imau gajau, or etau gajau. So these are two elephants, and tau vanarau. All right. So those are two monkeys. Ime gajaha, ete gajaha. More than two uh, animals. So these are elephants. Te vanaraha, te vanaraha. So those are monkeys. Okay, look at this. Now it's a student, so I can say singular. I am chatraha, or eshaha chatraha. There's a teacher a little bit away from me, so I can say saha adhyapakaha, saha adhyapakaha. So there are two students here close to me. So these are students. Imau chatrau, imau chatrau, or etau chatrau, etau chatrau. Tau adhyapakau, tau adhyapakau. There are two teachers. Okay, those are two teachers. So more than two students here. So these are students. So ime chatraha, ime chatraha, or ete chatraha, ete chatraha. And teachers who are away from me, a little bit far, te adhyapakaha, te adhyapakaha. Okay, look at this picture. So there's a sun here. So this is the sun. So I am Suryah. I am Suryah. Oh, Eshah Suryah. Eshah Suryah. So the moon is a little bit away. All right. So Saha Chandraha. Saha Chandraha. That is the moon. Now Imau Suryau. Imau Suryau. Etau Suryau. Etau Suryau. So these are two suns. It could be an imaginative situation. Maybe you see two reflections of the same sun. As an example, so Imau Suryau or Etau Suryau, and you see, okay, for example, there are certain planets which have more than one moon, for example. So Tau Chandrau, Tau Chandrau. So Ime Suryaha, Ime Suryaha. So Ete Suryaha, Ete Suryaha. So suns more than two, and those are moons. So te chandraha, te chandraha, te chandraha. All right. So that's it with the examples. Um, so let us do one exercise. So what you have to do is that you can just write the answers in the comment section. I also share the answers in the description. All you have to do is that you have to take these pronouns and put them over here. And have given the nouns and the meanings of the nouns, whether they are the singular or plural, where they are nearby or far away. For example, we have ajaha here. Ajaha is a goat. Goat singular, and it is very close to me, nearby. So I can use eshaha. Eshaha, ajaha. All right. So this is simhaha. Simhaha. Then vruddhaha. Vruddhaha. Shukau. Shukau. Chashakau. Chashakau. Mayuraha. Mayuraha. All right. So do write the answers and share them in the comments. I also share the answers in the description so that you can double check. All right. So that's it with this lesson. Let me see you in the other lesson. Okay. Do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Dhanyawadaha.